Today we will make the most easy bread you can make at home, like a pro. Stay 1 week fresh. Look at that. What you need is flour, 800 gram, water, 500 gram, yeast, 14 gram, salt, 30 gram, and that, the secret ingredient. Without that, you cannot do it. That will make the difference. 10 minutes working with your hand, just 10 minutes work, 1.5 hour wait, 30 minutes plus 20 in the oven. And that's it. You don't trust me? See the result. Look at that. We need easy life. Flour, 800 gram, 00 flour, yeast, normal dry yeast. This recipe is working with every flour, every dry yeast, every country, every flour, every yeast, every water. That means we go in with 10 gram of dry yeast, water, 400 gram, and the 100 gram of water we put 10 gram of yeast. Move it a little bit. Remember, the water is better lukewarm. We put the yeast on the flour, we start mixing. No special technique. When it's combined, we add another 400 gram of water, 30 gram of salt. Just combine everything together. And when you have your dough, easy, put it back, cover it with the kitchen towel, and wait 1 hour. Alexa, set an alarm of 1 hour.
1 hour alarm set for 5:28 p.m.
Thank you so much.
You are so welcome.
A little bit of flour, and we do this. We open it. You see how soft it is. We fold it 3 times. 30 minutes to go. Alexa, set an alarm of 30 minutes, please. Bread. Oven 250. Preheat half an hour. And put your bad boy inside. Waiting for the dough. And we go to the oven. Lid on. In the oven, 30 minutes. Easy peasy. 30 minutes to wait. After lid off, I will show you the result. And 20 more minutes to finalize the crust. Okay, 30 minutes gone. You can see I'm using the Barbie oven. That means you can do it at home. Let's go party. That it is. That is what you want. Now, lid off. 20 minutes back to the oven. That one. Look at that. That is the wow moment. Crunchy outside, soft inside, perfectly baked, always working. Look at that. Amazing.